हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ पंकज। वेलकम टू बीइंग फिश को। और आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे ICAR JRF एग्ज़ाम के मॉक टेस्ट पेपर के ऊपर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फादर ऑफ फिश न्यूट्रिशन इज। सो द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज जॉन ई हेल्वर। जॉन ई हेल्वर इज द फादर ऑफ फिश न्यूट्रिशन। द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज़ हाइएस्ट क्रूड प्रोटीन कंटेंट। Correct answer for this question is option third, that is fish meal. Fish meal has the highest crude protein content. The next question, processed shark fin ray contains moisture. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is 10%. Processed shark fin ray contains 10% moisture. The next question, finely grinded or powdered feed is mainly recommended for. Correct answer for this question is option third, that is nursery pond. Finely grinded and powdered feed is recommended for nursery pond. The next, number of carbon atom present in carotenoids is. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is 40. 40 are the number of carbon atoms present in carotenoids. Next question, what is the minimum amount of starch recommended for salmonids and other marine fish diet? Correct answer for this question is option 1. Okay. The next, headquarter of Caruin Pork Fund CP Group Corporation Limited is situated in. Correct answer for this question is option 3, that is Thailand. The next question, most commonly used external markers for digestibility study is. Correct answer for this question is option 2, that is CR2O3. CR2O3 is used as external markers for digestibility study. Most common used feed binder in shrimp feed is. So the correct answer for this question is option D, that is wheat gluten. Wheat gluten is most commonly used feed binder in shrimp feed. Next question, which is not omnivorous among the following fish species? Correct answer for this question is Tilapia randeli. Tilapia randeli is not omnivorous among the following fish species. Rest all are omnivorous species. That is Oreochromis niloticus, Oreochromis aureus and Oreochromis mozambicus. All are omnivorous species and Tilapia randeli is not omnivorous. In freeze dried product, the final moisture content is. Correct answer for this question is option 3, that is 2%. Next question, antibiotics approved by USA to use in medicated feed is. Correct answer for this question is both 1 and 2, that is third option. Third option is correct answer. Romet and Terramycin, both antibiotic approved by USA to use in medicated feed. Then next question, which of the following is a feeding stimulant used in fish feed? Correct answer for this question is all of these. L-amino acid, inosine and glycine betaine all are used as a feeding stimulant in fish feed. Next question, minimum moisture content recommended for the growth of Aspergillus species in fish feed is. Correct answer for this question is 14%. Option D is the correct answer. The next question, conversion of trypsinogen to trypsin occurs at. Correct answer is neutral pH. Second option is correct, neutral pH. Which of the following fish species has the highest protein requirement? Correct answer for this is option 4, that is trout. Trout has highest protein requirement among these fish species. The next, protein content of feed Sifama is. Correct answer for this question is option 2, that is 33%. Who coined the term nutraceutical? Who coined the term nutraceutical is the question. Correct answer for this question is Stephen D. Fallis. Option 2 is the correct answer. Stephen D. Fallis coined the term nutraceutical. Next question, highly heat labile vitamin during cooking is. Correct answer for this question is vitamin C. Vitamin C is highly heat labile vitamin during cooking. Next question, humectant used in moist feed for lowering water activity is. Correct answer for this question is both A and B. Option 4 is correct answer. Propylene glycol as well as sodium chloride both are used as humectant in moist feed for lowering water activity. Next question, nitrogen is mostly eliminated from fish body through. Correct answer for this question is gill. Nitrogen is mostly eliminated through gill from the fish body. Nutrient absorption occurs mainly in. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is intestine. Nutrient absorption occurs mainly in intestine. Then color of biliverdin is. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is green. Color of biliverdin is green. Color of bilirubin is yellowish and color of biliverdin is green. The next question, which is not an essential amino acid? Correct answer for this question is glycine. Rest all are essential amino acid, only glycine is non-essential amino acid. Next question, study of effect of nutrient on gene expression is known as. Correct answer for this question is nutrigenomics, that is option third. Option third is the correct answer. Next question, number of double bond present in alpha linolenic acid is. Correct answer for this question is 3. 3 is the number of double bond present in alpha linolenic acid. Option 2 is correct answer. Then next question, function of young B cells of hepatopancreas are. Correct answer for this question is option 4, that is endocytosis. The next question, which are not omega 6 fatty acid? Correct answer for this question is option third, that is docosahexaenoic acid is not an omega 6 fatty acid. Okay, it is basically omega 3 fatty acid. Docosahexaenoic acid is omega 3 fatty acid along with eicosapentaenoic acid. It is not omega 6 fatty acid. Next question, amblyphalangodon mola is a good source of which of the following vitamin? Correct answer for this question is option A, that is vitamin A. Which of the following vitamin is essential for calcium absorption and metabolism? Correct answer is option third, that is vitamin D. Next question, iodine content is low in. Correct answer is option A, that is freshwater fish. Freshwater fish has low iodine content. Next question, oyster is a rich source of which of the following mineral content? Correct answer is option D, that is zinc. Oyster is rich in zinc. Next, basic amino acid include. Correct answer is option D, that is all of the above, arginine, lysine as well as histidine. Check trays required for 1 hectare shrimp pond is. Correct answer is option third, that is 4 to 6. Next question, the following is the seafood borne pathogen. Correct answer for this question is option third, that is Listeria monocytogenes is the seafood borne pathogen, Listeria monocytogenes. Next question, average shelf life of pit cured fishery products are. Correct answer is option D, that is 20 days. Recommended level of available chlorine for water used in the processing plant is. Correct answer is option third, that is 5 to 10 ppm is the recommended level of available chlorine for the water used in processing plant. Next question, maximum permitted level of residual phosphorus, that is P2O5 in frozen shrimp meat for export is. Correct answer is option A, that is 5 gram per kg. Next question, maximum permitted level of BHA and BHT in food is. Correct answer is option third, that is 200 mg per kg. Next, which stage of artemia is suitable to feed fish or crustaceans? Correct answer is for this question is instar 1. Instar first is the stage of artemia that is suitable to feed fish or crustaceans. Next, cysteine is synthesized from. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is methionine. Next, which amino acid have a direct role in insulin secretion in the fish body? Correct answer for this question is arginine, that is option 2. Most commonly used plant-based ingredient in fish feed is. Correct answer for this question is option 2, that is soybean meal. It is the most commonly used plant-based ingredient in fish feed. Next, fish satay is a. Correct answer for this question is option third, that is marinated hard dried product. Next, value of specific dynamic action HDO of protein is. Correct answer for this question is option third, that is 20 to 35%. Next question, which of the following is correct in case of gross energy value of nutrients? Then correct answer for this question is option A, that is lipid, then protein, then carbohydrate. Next question, ultimate end product of ATP breakdown is. The correct answer is urea. Urea is the ultimate end product of ATP breakdown. Okay. Next question. Clostridium botulinum do not produce toxin in pH range. Correct answer is option D. Okay. I have confusion in question number 48. Okay. So if you are sure with the answer, then you can comment me in the comment section. Okay. In question number 48. Okay. Then next, question number 50, that is blanking is done at temperature of. Correct answer is option A and B, that is 85 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius and 185 degree Fahrenheit and 212 degree Fahrenheit. Both A and B is correct answer. Then next question, correct order of HDO of nutrient is. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is protein greater than lipid greater than carbohydrate. Next question, apparent digestibility coefficient of lipid in case of fish is. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is greater than 95%. Next question, which of the following are the semi-essential amino acid? Correct answer for this question is option A, that is cysteine and tyrosine. Both are semi-essential amino acid. Next, which fish tissue retained most amount of synthesized protein? Correct answer for this question is white mussel. Option B is the correct answer. Which fish tissue retained most amount of synthesized protein? That is white mussel. Next question, example of non-protein nitrogenous NPN compound is. Correct answer for this question is both A and C, that is option D is correct answer. Purine, pyrimidine, histamine and taurine. All are example of non-protein nitrogenous compound. The next, NPN compound associated with osmoregulation is. Correct answer for this question is option C, that is taurine. Taurine is the NPN compound associated with osmoregulation. Next question, tyrosine is synthesized from. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is phenylalanine. Tyrosine is synthesized from phenylalanine. Deficiency of this amino acid causes scoliosis and lordosis in fish. Correct answer for this question is tryptophan. Option D is correct answer. Tryptophan is responsible for causing scoliosis and lordosis. Its deficiency causes scoliosis and lordosis in fish. Which of the following amino acid is the precursor of neurohormone serotonin? Correct answer for this question is threonine. Option A is the correct answer. Threonine is the precursor of neurohormone serotonin. Laminated Bombay duck preparation technique was established by. Correct answer for this question is SIFT. Option A is the correct answer. Example of sulfated amino acid. Correct answer for this question is both A and B, that is methionine and cysteine, both are sulfated amino acid, both contain sulfur in it. Next question, shock syndrome occurs in trout due to deficiency of. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is essential fatty acid. Shock syndrome occurs due to the deficiency of essential fatty acid. Next question, which organ is responsible for fatty acid synthesis in fish? Correct answer for this question is option B, that is liver is responsible for synthesis of fatty acid in fish. Next question, spread out lipids, a form of temporary storage to fish enterocyte are. Correct answer for this question is large lipid droplets. Spread out lipids, a form of temporary storage to fish enterocyte are large lipid droplets. Next question, gross energy value of 1 gram of phospholipid. Correct answer for this question is 33 kilojoule. Next question, correct order of utilization efficiency in common carp is. The correct answer for this question is option A, that is gelatinized starch, then dextrin, then glucose. Next question, method of salting recommended for fatty fish is. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is wet salting is recommended for fatty fish. The next question, correct order of glycogen reserve in fish tissue is. Correct answer for this question is option third, that is liver, then red muscle, brain and then white muscle. The term vitamin was coined by. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is Casimir Funk. C. Funk is responsible for coining the term vitamin. Next question, vitamin which acts as coenzyme in transamination reaction are. Correct answer for this question is vitamin B6 is responsible to act as a coenzyme in transamination reaction. Function of F cells of hepatopancreas are. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is secreting enzymes only. Next question, most desirable storage temperature for cans before marketing. Correct answer for this question is option C, that is 10 degrees Celsius. Next question, RBC fragmentation occur in fish due to deficiency of. Correct answer for this question is vitamin B12. RBC fragmentation occur mainly due to deficiency of vitamin B12. NIFT Kochi was established in the year. Correct answer for this question is option C, that is 2008. Okay. What is the ideal temperature of fish processing plant? Correct answer for this question is option D, that is 20 degrees Celsius. Ideal temperature of fish processing plant is 20 degrees Celsius. Phenomenon of case hardening occurs in. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is falling rate of drying. Phenomenon of case hardening occurs due to falling rate of drying. Masmin is a. Correct answer for this question is it is basically a smoked product from tuna. Option A is the correct answer for masmin. It is a smoked product from tuna. Next question, fish pickle prepared from. Correct answer for this question is low value fish. Fish pickle is prepared from low value fish. Squalene is rich in. Next question is squalene is rich in. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is vitamin A and B. Squalene is rich in vitamin A and B. Next question, fish roe is a rich source of. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is vitamin B. Color of good quality ambergris. Correct answer for this question is gray. Gray is the color of good quality ambergris. Ambergris is mostly used as. Correct answer for this question is option C, that is both. It is used as aphrodisiac as well as perfumery. Costliest caviar obtained from. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is sturgeon. Sturgeon is used to obtain costliest caviar. Purest form of gelatin obtained from. Purest form of gelatin is obtained from swim bladder. Correct answer is option third, that is swim bladder. Then next question, collagen is a rich source of. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is proline. Collagen is a rich source of proline. Next, gelatin lacks. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is tryptophan. Gelatin lacks tryptophan. Next question, which fish scale is a good source of pearl essence? Correct answer for this question is herring. Herring fish scale is good source of pearl essence. Moderate quality fish have K value of. Moderate quality fish have a K value of. Correct answer for this question is 10 to 20. They have K value of 10 to 20. Level of total volatile basis TVB of good quality fish mg per 100 gram is. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is 35 to 40 mg per 100 gram. Next question, good quality fish should have a PV of. Correct answer for this question is option third. Next question, bound water in fish muscle are removed by. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is humectant. Humectants are used to remove bound water in fish muscles. Next question, radiation process of food is also called. Correct answer for this question is cold sterilization. Radiation process of food is also called as cold sterilization. Common radionuclides used for food irradiation is. Correct answer for this question is cobalt 60. Cobalt 60 is the common radionuclide used for food irradiation. Dose of radiation to disinfect the fishery product dried from insect pest is. Correct answer for this question is option third, that is 0.25 to 1 kg. Next question, whitefish roe is referred as. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is golden caviar. Whitefish roe is referred as golden caviar. Unknown growth factor is rich in. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is fish meal. Overpressure retort is used for. Correct answer for this question is all. It is used for flexible pouch, glass container as well as large cans. Temperature of can storage is. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is 10 degrees Celsius. Temperature of can storage is 10 degrees Celsius. Sea enamel can contains. Sea enamel can contains. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is zinc chloride. They contain zinc chloride. The next question, salt content in blanching of shrimp is. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is 6 to 8%. Next question, drawn and wall iron DWI can was first developed with. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is aluminium. Next question, Clostridium botulinum is an. Correct answer for this question, it is obligate anaerobic. Next question, aluminium foils of thickness dash micron are generally used in food packaging. Correct answer for this question is Option A, that is 8 to 40 micron. Next question, in pre-cooking the moisture level has to be reduced from dash is good for canning. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is 80 to 60%. Moisture level is reduced from 80 to 60% before in pre-cooking method. Okay. Honeycomb formation associated with. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is canned tuna. Maximum permissible limit of SO2 in shrimp is. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is 100 ppm is the maximum permissible limit of SO2 in shrimp. Most preferred tuna species for canning is. Correct answer for this question is Thunus alunga. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Established form of myofibrillar protein is. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is tropomyosin is the established form of myofibrillar protein. Next question, amount of total water of muscle tightly bound to muscle protein. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is 4 to 5% of total water of muscle bound to muscle protein. Next, FPC powder with no specific limit on odor with fishy flavor and maximum fat of 3% is. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is type B. Next question, ratio of salt to fin during dusting with salt is. Correct answer for this question is option second, that is 1:10. 1:10 is the ratio of salt to fin during dusting with salt. Average temperature for sealing heat exhausted can be. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Who is the father of modern canning industry? Correct answer for this question is option C, that is Brian Donkin is the father of modern canning industry. Next question, in pit curing fish is mixed with salt at the ratio of. Correct answer for this question is option B, that is 4:1. In pit curing fish is mixed with salt at the ratio of 4:1, and in this question ratio of salt to fin when dusting with salt the ratio is 1:10. Ratio of salt to fin is 1:10 in case of dusting. In pit curing mixed with salt at the ratio of 4:1. 4:1 is the correct answer for this question. Next question, grade 1 fish meal contain the protein level of. Correct answer for this question is option B, that is 60%. Grade 1 fish meal contain the protein level of 60%. Ambergris is prepared from. Correct answer for this question is option A, that is male sperm whale. Ambergris is prepared from male sperm whale. Next question, IMVIC test is done for the detection of. Correct answer for this question is it is done for the detection of E. coli. Next question, faulty canning practices leads to. Correct answer for this question is option D, that is post-process spoilage. Faulty canning practices leads to post-process spoilage. Next question, stabilized minced fish meat is. Correct answer for this question is option C, that is surimi. Stabilized minced fish meat is surimi. Next question, and the last question is deficiency of this amino acid causes caudal fin erosion in fish. Correct answer for this question is option C, that is lysine. Lysine deficiency causes caudal fin erosion in fish. Okay, that's all for this video. ओके, अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है। और आप मेरे बाकी वीडियोस भी चेक कर सकते हैं, इसमें रत्ना कुमार के ऊपर और ICAR JRF के पेपर भी मैंने अपलोड किए हुए हैं, और आगे इससे रिलेटेड और भी वीडियोस आते रहेंगे ICAR JRF एग्ज़ाम से रिलेटेड। तो अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं और JRF एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, और नहीं भी कर रहे हैं फिर भी सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं इस पर फिशरी रिलेटेड अपडेट्स भी देता रहता हूँ। तो ठीक है, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन स्टे सेफ, बाय बाय।